Well, I'm up at work and finally getting to do the oil change on Silvy, my 2018. There's been quite the shortage of oil last few weeks. Going to the store, the shelves have been bare, like this picture and this picture. And yeah, I'm also about 45 days behind schedule on doing Fiddy's oil change as well. So I bought 5 gallons of, or five quart jugs. Yeah, that's the one. Five quart jugs. I bought 25 quarts of oil, so I can knock both trucks out and have a little bit left over. So we're gonna get this this oil change wrapped up. Well, I'm back at the house, and I think I'm gonna have a Fiddy Thursday tomorrow, which is a little bit unusual, but and that was part of the motivation for getting the oil change done ASAP. I was at like 4,100 miles on that oil, and about 50% on the life left, according to the truck, which I never trust, but whatever. It was time to get the oil change done, and I've already been behind schedule on getting Fiddy oil change done, so might as well get that one done tomorrow when I have time after work. So I have one bottle of brand new one, and then I have three, basically one and 1.5 quarts. So I've got about 8.5 or 9 quarts of oil. Got my special Wicks filter for her, and I ended up where I still have, after I dug out all the remainders out of the cabinet, I still have 3 more bottles of brand new 520. So I should be set up and have enough in case something more oil shortage continues or whatever. I should have enough for at least one more oil change in either of the trucks, which the 18 always gets done first. 18 usually gets about 2 or 3 oil changes a year based off of miles, and Fiddy gets an annual oil change. So anyways, that's all I got. Quick update for y'all. Like I said, I do have some new content coming after the first of the year, and I'm genuinely really excited about the prospects of it, because it's more than just me doing little stuff here and there with my truck. This is big boy stuff, and I'm honored to be offered the opportunity, and hopefully y'all can come along for a ride for that. So I don't know how much more I'll have other content of my own coming out between now and the end of the year, but if I don't see y'all, have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff, and I will catch y'all at the beginning of the next year. Thanks. Getting ready to do Fiddy oil change, and I've got my 2 pins pulled out of my catch can. I got my 2 PCV hoses loose, so I'm gonna pull this thing out and see how much oil it's caught in there, and which means I gotta take my lid off of it with the Allen screws, and we'll get that done real quick. Pretty good amount there. Get that drained off. We'll get the rest of the oil draining. Ow. Okay, got a wrench on it. Got it loosened up. My drain pin's where I want it. busy talking to you guys, and I forgot my oil filter in the truck. Got to bring it back down.